This video will explain some settings that you can apply after getting a better grip on the Microsoft Excel program. This video is going to be interesting for Excel lovers. Let's dive in the video then. As you gain more expertise with Excel, you'll probably want to tweak some of the settings to make it perform better for you. You'll almost certainly want to change the ribbon or the quick access toolbar. To go to Excel Options, go to File and then Options. The Excel Options dialog box has numerous tabs for each category of options. Make a note of any changes you make in Excel Options, as you may wish to undo a modification if it doesn't generate the desired results. Select OK to save your changes. That some changes may not take effect until the application is restarted. You then have to remember how to revert the option to its previous state. There are a lot of settings you may set with Excel Options. However, covering them all would be difficult in this lesson. Instead, the following sections show some of the most common adjustments that users make. General Options. On the General tab, you can change the default font size, the number of worksheets to include in every new workbook, the username, the office theme setting to colorful, dark gray, black, or white, displaying or hiding the mini toolbar when selecting the text, enabling or disabling the live preview. Formulas Options. On the Formulas tab, you can set how Excel calculates formulas, whether to enable or disable the use of table names in formulas, what color to use to indicate errors if you don't want the default green, error checking rules. Proofing Options. Use the Proofing tab to set what is checked when you run spell check. You can choose to ignore words in uppercase, ignore words that contain numbers, ignore internet and file addresses. You can also set the autocorrect options and set the dictionary language. Save Options. On the Save tab, you can set the auto recover options. Set the default file location to save for local files, templates, and drafts. Language Options. On the Language tab, you can add languages and the order in which languages are used. Ease of Access Options. Use this tab to make Excel more accessible. You can choose to display screen tips, modify the display font size, and keep the accessibility checker on while you work. Advanced Options. The Advanced tab has the most options that you can use for customizing Excel. On this tab, you can set editing options such as enabling or disabling the fill handle, drag and drop, autocomplete, and flash fill. Enable or disable cut, copy, and paste options. Set the quality of images and printing. Set chart options. Set display options such as the number of recent workbooks listed in Backstage or whether to display the formula bar. For a specific workbook, you can display the scroll bars, worksheet tabs, worksheet row and column headers, and grid lines. And many more options. Add-ins. Use the Add-ins tab to manage the add-ins that are available on your device. Select Go to activate built-in add-ins, such as the Analyst Toolpack or Solver, for further analysis of your data. Trust Center Options. On the Trust Center tab, you can access the Trust Center settings, which opens another dialog box as depicted in the following screenshot. You'll learn more about the Trust Center options in Module 5 when creating macros. Numbers are not written in the same way in every country or location. In the United States, $10,000 is generally written as $10,000,000.00. It's generally formatted as $10,000,000,00 in Germany and $10,000,000,00 in Switzerland. If you have to change the formatting frequently, adjusting the system separators in Advanced Options may be quite handy. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in settings process. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.